So hello everyone and welcome on my new video, and in this video we will talk about how to check your Discord checkpoint, or you can say Discord breath. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So if you go on your Discord, you will check here, it's missing. So as you can see, checkpoint has been temporarily disabled for Android. So how to check it? But it is available on iOS and desktop and browser. Go on discord.com. Here click on three dots and make sure your desktop site is enabled for mobile users. Now, if you see on the top right corner, here you will find the option like login. So log in your ID. As I already logged in, I can directly click on open Discord. Hold on it and click on open in new tab. Now, if you go here, zoom here and see, you can see this flag. Click on it. It's on the top right corner. Now let's start. For iOS and desktop users, it's same. You can find your flag on the top right corner. Now as you can see, you can check your message sent this year. You can see your total emoji used and your favorites also. Hours in voice, favorite servers, Discord friends you spend most time with, your sidekick, and your favorite game. And those who don't know what is Discord off, I will make a separate video on that. So keep subscribing. And you have to reveal this. Sorry. So once you reveal this, you can see you will get a card. You get your checkpoint deco. I get this card and I can use this in my profile like this. So this is what your summary is. You can take a screenshot or share it anywhere.